Hey everyone! Today we're taking you on one of the most thrilling hikes in Spain, the legendary Caminito del Rey.
We got a sneak peek of this hike from our train ride to Malaga. Yikes!
Our adventure began in Malaga, where we boarded a bus with Get Your Guide, with a quick stop for breakfast. Then we were off.
I was looking over there and then missed it.
This area is a major breeding ground for griffon vultures. They have a wingspan of 7 to 9 feet, weigh 14 to 23 pounds, and can fly up to 250 miles. This one is watching us enjoy this spectacular experience.
We're getting ready to start the Caminto, and so far we've walked about 0.8 of a mile to get to this spot, and the platforms start soon.
I have been looking forward to this hike for some time now, so the only thing is right now it's a bit windy, about 27 miles per hour gusts.
Before starting the suspended walkway, you're provided a mandatory helmet. Not because it's going to save your life. I bet so they can identify your remains if you fall. Isn't that comforting?
I don't know if you can tell by the video, but whew, it is windy. Originally constructed between 1901 and 1905, the Caminito del Rey, or King's Little Path, was built to provide workers access between two hydroelectric power plants.
Is the train line we took from Seville. There's the old Caminto. Holy cow. For decades, the original pathway fell into dangerous disrepair, with sections completely collapsed. Thrill seekers would attempt to cross despite the dangers, leading to several fatal accidents. By the early 2000s, it had earned the reputation as the world's most dangerous walkway.
After years of closure, the Caminto underwent a complete renovation and reopened to the public in 2015. The project carefully preserved the historical essence while creating a safe experience for visitors.
This bridge is almost 350 feet above the water. If hikes make you dizzy, but you're looking to push your boundaries, this is the perfect challenge.
You're brave! Come on! Woo!
Next video wraps up our adventures in Spain. Thanks for following along and stay tuned for more from the Silver Vagabonds. And oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, or tell us in the comments if this hike is now on your bucket list.